Hey guys, if you want to get this everyday makeup look, then please keep watching. For base, I'm starting with primer. I'm using the Colorbar primer and I'm blending that all over my skin. For color correcting, I'll be using the LA Pro Conceal in orange. To hydrate my lips, I'll be using the Biotic Biofruit lip balm here. Now moving to the next step in my base, I'm applying the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in Sun Beige. For concealer, I'm using the LA Pro Conceal in Pure Beige. And highlighting my face with Maybelline Age Rewind. Contouring with Wet n Wild Contour Stick. To set my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in Light. And setting my contour with Wet n Wild Contour Palette. To fill in my brows, I've used the L'Oreal Brow Artist. Now I'm using the same setting powder to slightly bake my face. I've used the same setting powder to set my eyelids as well. Now moving on to shadow, I'm using a light brown that is slightly a shade darker to my skin tone and using that as a transition shade. I'm using a dark brown to darken up the outer corners of my eye. I'm using a pale white eyeshadow to lighten up my eyelids. And blending that with a fluffy brush to ensure that there aren't any harsh lines left. Done with one, let's do the other now. I'm dusting off the bake with a fluffy pencil brush. For eyeliner, I'm using the Inglot gel eyeliner and getting my signature shape, the wing eyeline look. Since I was feeling fierce, I even lined my inner corners into a cat-like shape. To tightline my eyes, I've used the K-Beauty Kajal. I curled my lashes and I've used the mascara L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise. Since I barely have eyelashes, I'll be going in with falsies. Now for my lower lashes, I'll be applying the Kajal only halfway in my eyes. And using the same eyeshadow shades on the lower lash line as well to get an even look. For blush, I've used the Maybelline Cheeky Glow in Fresh Coral. I've also used the blush on the transition area to tie up the look. Now moving on to the lips, I'm lining my lips in with a lip shade that is my lips but better shade and filling it all in. To give more dimension to my lips, I'm outlining my lips with a dark brown shade. And I'm blending the lines in with a light peach lipstick. I'm highlighting my face with a golden champagne highlighter to give off a healthy glow. And making sure to highlight all the high points of my face. To finish off the lips, I'm using the Miss Claire Pearly Lip Gloss and just applying that in the center of my lips to give a more pouty look. For the final step, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. Spray it all over your face, let it dry, and you're done! And this is the final look. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye!